Hey, Emma! In the mood for some bubble gum? Here you go! Ready for some bubble action? It's coming! Just warming up! Emma? That's getting awfully big. And it's still going! Whoa, how did you do that? Check out my hair! I wanna try too! Oh boy, it's definitely growing! It worked! You like? What else can we change? Only one way to find out! You're up first, Emma! Is that what I think it is? Yep, that's a toilet alright. It actually smells really good! I think you eat it like this! Yum! It's so fruity and sour! What did I get then? That's the biggest eyeball I've ever seen! Emma, take a look! It's looking at me! Ooh, you're gonna eat that thing? Gross! I'm so sorry, Naomi. I just have to suck it up. Here goes nothing! Huh. It's actually quite good. I can see everything so clearly now. Ah! Naomi? I feel much better now. I think she's been possessed. What do you think's in here? Whoa! Only one thing to do here. First noodle coming right up. Look at that thing go! Just keep slurping! Let's kick this thing into high gear! Ever hear of a fork, Naomi? That mess was totally worth it. What? Just watching, that's all. Now it's my taste buds' turn. Let's see. There sure are a lot in here. Wow! I'm so gonna eat all of them! They're so cute! And they smell fantastic! Yep! Like heaven in my mouth! Here comes the first bubble, folks! I'm not popping that thing. Aww. I know how to really impress her. Hold your hats, people. Big bubble coming through. Emma? No! It's all over me now! How do I get this out of my hair? Mind if I give one a try? I'll go. No, me. Please. Okay, fine. My favorite flavor in the world! Try it! I bet I can eat the whole package. Just look how pretty they are! So pink! But before I eat them all, I'm gonna give something a try. See this little guy? He's gonna do great things. Can't forget the water. Grow, Jelly Bean, grow! And now, we wait. Wow! It actually worked! My own cotton candy plant! It smells heavenly! So tasty! Yeah, I bet! And for me? Oh, I I love grape soda! Let's crack this bad boy open. Cheers to me! Ugh, this thing's way sour. Let me see something. It's clear just like water. No wonder it doesn't taste sweet. Why don't you put this in it? The cotton candy? It should soak the sugar right up. See? These bubbles are gonna work. Whoa! It turned pink! Let me give it a try. Hello, sweet pink goodness! You okay there, Naomi? I'll need help drinking it. Cheers, girl! This drink won't last for long. Ooh, sugar rush! Hey, you go! Okay. Voila! This is incredible! Look at all these sprinkles! And there are more gummy balls than I can count! Hold these? I'm gonna let the sprinkles roam free. This way, I can dip the gummy balls in. Rock and roll, baby! It's like a pink overload. Get a load of this thing! Mmm. That's really sweet. I wish I had one. Maybe I do. Or maybe it's even better! Ow! It's hard as a rock. Aw, here. I've got enough to spare. This'll make me feel better. I've got you, girl. What is this thing anyway? It's not food. It's bubbles! Hey, Naomi! Whoa! Are those bubbles? Keep them coming, Emma! They're just so beautiful! I want to pop them all! Think I can give it a try now? 1, 2, 3, blow! This is way better than a snack! Wish you could try these pretty pink confections? Why don't you hold your own eating challenge with your friends? Let us know what happens. Watch this one yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun!